In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Outlook. If you want your work management and email tools to work more smoothly together, this setup can save you time and reduce manual updates. The process is straightforward, and once connected, you'll be able to use an Outlook integration template inside Monday.com to start automating part of your workflow. To begin, open the Monday.com board where you want to use the Outlook integration. At the top of the board, look for the Integrate option and click it. This opens the integrations area for that specific board where you can connect Monday.com with a variety of apps and services. Make sure you're on the correct board before continuing, since the integration will apply to the board you're currently viewing. Once the integrations panel appears, find and click Outlook. This will take you to the available Microsoft Outlook integration options for Monday.com. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the app list carefully. The goal here is simply to open the Outlook integration page so you can choose how the two platforms should work together. After that, choose a template that matches the workflow you want to create. Then click Use Template. Templates are helpful because they give you a pre-built automation setup instead of making you configure everything from scratch. For example, the template you choose will determine what kind of action happens between Outlook and Monday.com. Before selecting one, briefly review the wording so you understand what the automation is designed to do. That way, you're picking the option that best fits your process. Next, click Connect. This is the step that begins linking Monday.com with your Microsoft Outlook account so the integration can function properly. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to sign into Microsoft or approve access permissions. If that happens, just follow the prompts on screen and make sure you authorize the connection so the integration can work as expected. Once connected, your selected template will be ready for use, and you can continue with any on-screen configuration Monday.com requires. It's always a good idea to double-check the integration settings before you finish, just to make sure the right account and template were selected. And that's how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Outlook. As a final tip, test the connection after setup so you can confirm everything is working correctly and your automation behaves the way you expect.